After the very public trial against his ex-wife Amber Heard that drew record crowds, Johnny Depp now faces yet another legal battle, this time in Los Angeles, where he's expected to testify after Gregg Rocky Brooks will sue him civilly for hitting him on the set of City of Lies. After more than 4 days of testimony, Depp will testify in Los Angeles Superior Court on July 25th. His defense will be at his side, led by Benjamin Chew and Camille Vasquez. And in a twist of expectations, a key witness has emerged, taking sides with Depp in a move that will likely see the 59-year-old legendary actor bag a second court win in a matter of weeks. Who is this witness, and what information will she offer? Let's find out. Johnny Depp has been wrapped up in legal situations for quite some time now. Most recently, the Pirates of the Caribbean star was entangled in a televised 6-week defamation case with his ex-wife Amber Heard. Ultimately, the jury's verdict fell in his favor as Amber was found guilty on 3 counts of defamation and now must pay her ex millions of dollars. While Depp has apparently closed the book on that situation, he's now facing an assault-related lawsuit from a former colleague, and the accuser's lawyer is speaking out ahead of the trial. Gregg Rocky Brooks, the location manager for the police thriller based on the investigation into the murders of Tupac Shakur and the Notorious B.I.G., claimed in 2018 that Depp punched him twice in the ribcage. According to his version, the events took place on April 13, 2017. Brooks claims that things got heated after he told the actor-director Brad Furman that a scene wasn't working, so he went looking for a cop after Furman yelled at him, and that's where Depp comes in. A City of Lies script supervisor now says she was on the set when Johnny Depp allegedly verbally and physically assaulted a crew member, and claims she has proof none of it actually happened. Script supervisor Emma Danoff recently submitted a declaration stating that she witnessed the altercation, and it was nothing like what Brooks described in his lawsuit. Danoff says they were shooting outside, and Brooks berated an African-American homeless woman with racial and derogatory slurs because she was in his way. Depp was sitting next to her about 25 feet away when it happened. He immediately stood up from our shared seat on the edge of the planter bench and went over to Brooks to stand up for the woman, Danoff clarifies. Mr. Depp said to Mr. Brooks, "You can't talk to her like that. You think she's something less than you? Who do you think you are? How dare you?" Danoff adds that there were no punches thrown and no offer of $100,000 for Brooks to punch Depp as it has been alleged, and she says that she has 40 time-stamped photos that prove it. If this is true, then Depp is largely expected to win yet another legal duel. Mr. Brooks and others who have abused Mr. Depp are about to discover the consequences for making false accusations, says Depp's attorney Adam Waldman. As expected, a number of Depp fans took to social media to shun the allegations and in one way or the other had to drag along Amber's name. Amber fans keep bringing the fact that Johnny assaulted a man on the set of the Biggie Smalls movie back in 2017. So I figured instead of just gossiping, let's actually look at what has been documented. P.S. Cliffs at the bottom of the page, one wrote. Another wrote, "Now you know these fools don't like actual evidence and eyewitness testimony, LMAO. They base all their opinions off of vibes and emotions, not logic and evidence." Depp's bodyguards reportedly had to remove the actor from the scene to calm things down, although Brooks claimed in his lawsuit that the Fantastic Beasts actor breath smelled of alcohol during the fight. On his part, Depp claims Brooks provoked the actions that resulted in his injury, for which the location manager is suing for undisclosed monetary damages. While we respect the jury's decision, it has no relevance to Mr. Brooks' case in Los Angeles, Brooks' advocate Pat Harris told The Sun after Depp won his defamation lawsuit against Amber. Brooks' case is not about 2 Hollywood celebrities involved in a toxic relationship. It is about the assault of a hard-working film crew member by the star of the production. Mr. Brooks looks forward to his day in court, the lawyer added. After the alleged incident, Brooks said he was fired after he refused to sign an agreement with the producer, Miriam Siegel, that stated he wouldn't sue the production team. We obviously recognize that in the hierarchy of Hollywood, Johnny Depp is on top and the location managers are somewhere mid-level or toward the bottom, Brooks' attorney Pat Harris said. In any confrontation between the two of them, no matter who started it, no matter who's responsible, Johnny Depp is going to come out on top, and our guy is going to come out damaged. Brooks is suing Depp, Siegel director Brad Furman, Good Film Productions, and Infinity Hill, the production company that Depp founded, for assault and battery, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and negligence, among other damages. Depp is expected to testify that he did not hit Brooks, but instead confronted him verbally after he saw him acting belligerently towards a woman on set. Depp's attorneys have also argued during pre-trial that there is no evidence suggesting that the actor had any hand in preventing Brooks from getting work. City of Lies, formerly known as Labyrinth, centers on the investigation following the death of Christopher Wallace, aka Notorious B.I.G. It was set to open after Labor Day, but was recently pulled from Global Road's distribution schedule. Do you think Brooks' case is another Hollywood witch hunt directed towards Depp? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because in our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you all the heat piling in the build-up to this new case.